You be out here balling like John Madden. So now you're a football player? First you say you was a basketball player. We all seen that, wasn't it? Now you're a football player? You out here balling like John Madden? Fight. Your ass like a $1.2. You ain't balling shit like no John Madden. Get your ass on somewhere, boy. This mediocre ass song, boy.
For unique predictions, baby. It's LOAD.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Young Guy, a.k.a. Shadow the Jihad. And look, man, I said the lyric prank was going to be next, but I was looking down my YouTube and Flight Reacts dropped a music video to Get Ratchet? I don't know, man. I don't know. So we gonna have to watch this, man. We gotta watch it, man. It's just that. So, Flight React, Get Ratchet, official music video. Man, I don't want to gun you today, Flight, man. So please deliver. Please deliver. Let's get into it, man. Get Ratchet.
Oh, why do it tough? Yeah, Ratchet. Let me out like something like these niggas ain't know I be spazzing. That bitch you claiming she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show ratchets. Get ratchet. Pull up in this bit, what's happening?
Bro, what is up with all the little booties, man? I know I said little booties matter, but where the thick booties at, man? Where the thick booties at, y'all? Come on now.
Get ratchet. Pull up on my niggas, what's cracking? I'm up now, I'm gaining the status. My blood's real big, something like Jurassic. Lil' baby, she bad, but she...
What? What'd you just say, Fight?
Big something like Jurassic. Lil' baby, she bad, but she ratchet. You should work that list, lil' nigga with the captain. Your bitch, she gon' touch him like a captain. Niggas is friction, they don't want no static. Fuck with me, leave your friends hashtagging. She say my dick tastes like you passion. These niggas ain't know I be spazzing. That bitch you claiming she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, lil'.
You be out here balling like John Madden. So now you're a football player? First you say you was a basketball player. We all seen that, wasn't it? Now you're a football player? You out here balling like John Madden? Fight. Your ass like a $1.2. You ain't balling shit like no John Madden. Get your ass on somewhere, boy. This mediocre ass song, boy.
Get ratchet. Pull up in this bit, what's happening? Get ratchet.
There it is. Damn, boy, them legs is on point.
Get ratchet. Pull up on my niggas, what's cracking? Hella kicks, hella drip, no gift. Like Pringles, my nigga. I'm just trying to stack the chips. When I'm in the booth,
This nigga said, Pringles, my nigga, I'm trying to stack the chips. What are you saying, Flight?
niggas what's cracking? Hella kicks, hella drip, no gift. Like Pringles, my nigga. I'm just trying to stack the chips. When I'm in the booth, they call me Spiral where I spit. If you thinking I'm a hoe, my nigga, let it fuck the rim. Keep talking all that shit. I'ma have to grab a stick. Yeah, she got a cute face, but her body like a stick. Roll a sticky egg in a stick. Don't rock them gifts. Show some cash in the pics. Niggas hella rich. My guys looking like I got jumped by some trips. Not trying to be like Tato, but I really killing shit. You a lame chick, quit wave ride a bitch. Pussy so fire, I'ma nut up in this bitch. Pussy so fire, I'ma pay her for the rent.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Pussy so fire, it'll make you throw a fit. Niggas hella bad, how you never 50 cents. You claiming you been hustling a long time, I still don't got shit. These niggas ain't.
You just did all that for what, boy? That punchline wasn't even hard. The music video is nice. I fuck with the music video. But this song, bro, is just... It just ain't it.
But you claim that she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here rolling like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show ratchets. Yeah, ratchet, yeah, ratchet. Pull up in this bed, what's happening? Yeah, ratchet, yeah, ratchet. Pull up on my niggas, what's cracking?
This nigga like he shot this music video on the same spot DDG shot the Tatiana video. Hey, what are you doing, bro? The beat cold. I fuck with the beat. I definitely fuck with the beat, but like I don't know what to really say about this, man. The video was decent. I fuck with the video. Like, is your friends not telling you that you can't rap? Like where your real homies at? You letting your real homies listen to this music before you drop this shit? Like, the video was perfect. I fuck with the video, man. You got the girls shaking their ass, man. You know, same vibe as the Tatiana DDG video, but you know, besides that, it's like this song is trash. Like, it got a little decent little chorus, but that's about it. But you know, whatever floats your motherfucking boat, my guy. But GI Gang, man, I hate to bring you another disappointment from Flat Reacts, but we did. So, whatever. But GI Gang, stay tuned for that lyric prank. We out of here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment. Let me know what's up, man. We out of here.
Picture perfect, a young nigga swerving. Skirt, skirt. Whipping like dash. Do the whipping I crash. Off the hitting I crash. Fucking your bitch, she calling me dad. Oh, that's why you sad. Hoes, man.